Here's how to make French fancies with Odlums. So these are a delicious little sponge square which have a little bit of buttercream on top. It's very simple to put together and they're not difficult to make at all. Something great for one of your first ever bakes as well. So into a bowl we're going to go with 225 grams of softened butter in, and to that we're going to add 225 grams of castor sugar. Going to beat that together until it becomes nice and pale and fluffy. And next we're going to crack in 4 eggs into a jug. And just give them a good beat together. Now, so we're just going to trickle in a little bit at a time and then beat in between. And next we're going to fold in 225 grams of the new Odlums self-raising super flour. To loosen the batter, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk. We're going to place that into a tin that's lined with parchment paper. Smooth it all out with the back of a spoon. Place this into the oven at 160 degrees and we're going to bake it for 40 minutes. Now, so we're just going to trim up the edges firstly to even it into like a nice square shape. So once you have that done, then we just cut them into 4 centimeter squares. Pop them onto a wire rack. Pipe then the buttercream on top of each one. Now if you end up with little peaks like that, just wet your finger and press down on it. So to the icing, we're just going to add a couple of drops of water, some yellow food colouring in this one, and some pink food colouring in the other. All you have to do now is spoon on that icing and drizzle it over again. And the same way with the other colour. Just drizzle on. And to finish, just drizzle over some white icing. And there you have it, delicious French fancies with Odlums.